Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back. Again I am here with lecture number 2 of computer subject for class 7. Chapter number 1 is History of Computer. This chapter is divided in only the 2 lectures. Before starting our today's lecture, firstly take the preview of the previous lecture. In our previous lecture, we have discussed the history of computer, and history of computer can be divided into 3 ages: the dark age, the middle age, and the modern age. In our first chapter, we have completed these topics, and now let's move to the middle age and the modern age. Now the middle age. Middle age is also called the electrical age. In this age, in 1889, Dr. Hermann Hollerith developed a mechanical machine driven by one of the new electric motors that counted and sorted information stored on punch card. What it mean, in the middle age, डॉक्टर हरमैन हॉलीरेंथ ने फर्स्ट टाइम 1889 में एक मैकेनिकल मशीन इन्वेंट की थी जिसका नाम था टेबुलेटिंग मशीन. With the help of this machine, we can counted and sorted information and stored it on the punch card. First time इन्होंने एक मशीन इन्वेंट की, टेबुलेटिंग मशीन के नाम से जैसे जाना जाता है. उसमें फर्स्ट टाइम डेटा को काउंट किया जाता था और सेव किया जाता था विद द हेल्प ऑफ पंच कार्ड. दिस मशीन वॉज फर्स्ट यूज इन 1980s एंड अमेरिकन सेंसस ब्यूरो में फर्स्ट टाइम इस मशीन को यूज़ किया गया. Conrad Zeuss Z3 computer. In 1941, a German inventor named Conrad Zeuss, who worked as an engineer for the Henschel Aircraft Company in Berlin, invented the first modern electromechanical computer called Z3. 1941 में एक जर्मन साइंटिस्ट नेम जिनका था कॉनराड ज़्यूस, एक हेंशल एयरक्राफ्ट कंपनी के साथ मिलकर उन्होंने कंप्यूटर इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल कंप्यूटर इन्वेंट किया जिसका नाम था Z3 कंप्यूटर. His Z3 calculating computer was probably invented for the use in aircraft and missiles design during World War II for the German war effort. जिनके कंप्यूटर को यूज़ किया गया फॉर द डिज़ाइनिंग इन एयरक्राफ्ट एंड मिसाइल्स इन द वर्ल्ड वार टू. नाउ द मॉडर्न एज. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. This was the first general purpose programmable electronic computer system was developed in 1946. The first modern computer was called the ENIAC. जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर आया था, जनरल पर्पस बेस्ड कंप्यूटर था, इट वॉज कॉल्ड ENIAC. द ENIAC वॉज अ ह्यूज मशीन कंटेनिंग ओवर 17,000 वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स एंड ओवर 500 माइल्स ऑफ वायर. हमारे पास जो ENIAC कंप्यूटर था दैट वॉज वर्क विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वैक्यूम ट्यूब. वैक्यूम ट्यूब पे ये की मदद से ये काम करता था. 17,000 वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स जो हैं इसमें हाउस्ड की जाती थी और एक 500 माइल्स ऑफ वायर्स के साथ इसको कनेक्ट किया जाता था. दैट वाज वर्कड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वैक्यूम ट्यूब. दिस मैसिव मशीन वेट over 30 tons yet performed only about 100,000 operations per second. Transistors, the invention that changed the world. This was followed by the 1958 invention of the integrated circuit, which led to the development of microprocessor. An integrated circuit that contains all the function of a central processing unit of a computer. Vacuum tube replaced by integrated circuit. Now in this time, transistor replaced by the vacuum tube. ENIAC में हमने वैक्यूम ट्यूब यूज़ होती हुई देखी विच इज़ अ वेरी लार्ज इन साइज़, और कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स की वजह से जो हमारे पास नेक्स्ट इन्वेंशन आई उसमें हमारे पास ट्रांजिस्टर्स यूज़ किए गए. दे आर अ वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डिवाइस that regulates currents and act as a switch or gates for electronic signals. Microprocessor. A microprocessor is simply a computer processor that has been configured into the design and function of a microchip. A microprocessor is an electronic component that is used by computer to do its task. माइक्रोप्रोसेसर एक स्मॉल चिप होती है जो आपके कंप्यूटर के अंदर मदरबोर्ड के अंदर हाउस्ड की जाती है. एंड नाउ आवर कंप्यूटर आर बेस्ड ऑन द माइक्रोप्रोसेसर. इट इज़ अ सिलिकॉन चिप, स्मॉल चिप होती है जिसका काम होता है तमाम कंप्यूटर को इलेक्ट्रिक करंट प्रोवाइड करना. As a part of the processor, the microprocessor initiate the activations of all the components necessary to allow the computer to be used, such as working with the operating systems. हमारे operating systems के साथ जितने भी internal या external components housed किए जाते हैं, with the help of microprocessor ही उनको handle किया जाता है. Now here are some abbreviations which is given in your first chapter. First is ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. Second is UNIVAC, stands for Universal Automatic Computer. Third is IDSEC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Computer. Fourth is IDVAC, stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. And the fifth is ADP, Automatic Data Processing. Here we are given some devices name, their time periods and their inventor in these three ages. The first, the Dark Age. The examples and the inventors of the Dark Age are abacus, slide rule, Pascaline, Lebanese calculator, Jacquard's loom, difference engine and analytical engine. And in the Middle Age, punch card machine, Mark I and ABC. These are the inventors in the Middle Age. Now the Modern Age, ENIAC, IDSEC, IDVAC, UNIVAC, these are all examples and inventors of the Modern Age. Review of today's lecture. Today we have discussed Middle Age and the two invention and the two scientist invention, Hermann Hollerith and Konrad Zuse invention. Second is Modern Age. In this age we have discussed the ENIAC, transistors, microprocessor. And then we have discussed some abbreviations related with this chapter and invention table. If you have cleared all these previous topic, now you are able to do this assignment. Question number 1. What do you know about first electronic computer? In today's lecture we have clearly discussed the first electronic computer. You should be write it down, their brief introduction in your sheets. Question number 2. Do complete page number 8 and 9 in your handout from today's lecture. आज के लेक्चर में आपको जो एब्रीविएशंस और टेबल चार्ट दिया गया है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ टुडेज़ लेक्चर यू शुड कंप्लीट योर पेज नंबर 8 and 9 in your handout. Question number 2. Who invented tabulating machine? Write down the scientist name who invented the tabulating machine. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself, and if you like our video, now thumbs up.